Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? How are you all? It is fourth standard class going on. Fourth day class is going on. Achyut and Harday. Fourth A class is going on. How are you all? Fourth standard students, please reply. Achyut, beta, it is fourth standard class. Achyut, fourth A class is going on, beta. Fine. Well done, everyone. Show me your smiling faces, everybody. Turn on your camera one by one and show me your smiling faces. Everyone, turn on your cameras. Am I audible and visible to everyone? Am I audible and visible? Very good. Kashri, hello Vita, how are you? Good. Well done. Well done, Kashri. You can turn off your camera, Vita. Hello, Missy. Hello, Misty. I can see your smiling face. Well done. Now, okay, Mahi. Hello, Mahi. So happy to see you. Well done. Now, Mahi and Kashvi and Misty, turn off your camera. Let others make it on. Well done, Bacha. So, in today's class, Siddharth, I will instruct you what you have to do. Okay? I'm going to instruct you what you have to do. In today's class, we are going to do chapter number 9, articles, remaining exercise of articles of page number 45. I request you all to please take out page number 45, question number 7. Everyone, 4A students are requested to take out grammar textbook along with grammar notebook. Everyone, please take out your grammar textbook along with your grammar notebook. That is 1B number notebook and 1B number textbook. Am I clear to everyone? Done? Very good. Well done. Okay, Bansi. Well done, beta. Now, in today's class, we are going to do question number 7. In yesterday's class, we had completed up till the discussion on articles we have done yesterday, in which I explained you and make you to understand the concept of articles, in which we had already done the exercise portion of articles up till page number 44, right? So in today's class, we are going to do page number 45, question number 7. Read the letter below, write the correct article in the bracket where it is wrong and place a tick in the bracket if the article used is correct. What we have to do, learners? We have to read the letter first, okay? And then we have to correct the article in the bracket. There is a bracket given. Can you see? Can you all see the bracket which is given in page number 45? Where few brackets are put because we need to write the correct article over there, and the articles which are already correct, we simply have to tick it. Am I clear? Am I clear, everyone? Shall we start? No, Adya, the class of 4th day, beta. 4th standard class is going on, Adya. Please attend 3rd standard class. 4th day is going on. Okay. Yes, everyone is ready. So now we are starting today's class. Take out page number 45. Everyone, please take out page number 45. Kashyap, can you please turn on your camera? Kashyap Detharia, can you please turn on your camera? Or Mishti, any one of you, can you please turn on your camera? One of you, can you please turn on your camera? Okay, Kashvi, make it on. Am I visible and audible to everyone? Okay, thank you. Bansi, you can make it out, beta. Kashvi has made it on. And Bansi, I'm making your mic on. Okay, Bansi? If my screen go blur, please remind me. Or please tell me, inform me, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Keep your mic off and camera off. जब स्क्रीन ब्लर होती है तभी आपको माइक ऑन करके बोलना है. All right? Now let's start with question number 7. Chapter number 9. Article. What is the page for today? Page number 45 for the date 12/6/21 and day is Saturday. Alright everybody? So everyone give the date at the top of the page. Page number 45 में date डाल दीजिए. That is 12/6/21. Question number 7. In question number 7, there is a letter. Let us write the letter. Dear Dan, last week I returned from my trek to Himalaya. As I told you yesterday that in front of the names of mountains, river, holy book or any profession, what do we write? We write the. So let us cut this one and let's write the in that blank. Everyone write it down, the in first blank. As we are talking about the Himalayas, so we will write the instead of a. And then it was an exciting journey. N is absolutely correct, so we will simply tick it. N is absolutely correct, so we are going to simply tick that bracket. And then we will write the part. As we are repeating part and we are talking about the particular part, so we will tick it as well. There is the correct article. The path was rocky and rough.
मैम
Yes, beta.
मैम जो आप लिख रहे हैं वो आ ही नहीं रहा आधा. अब आ रहा है.
अब आया?
यस मैम. और सब मैसेज करेगा मैम यू आर स्ट्रिक्ट.
Okay, I'm stuck. 1 minute. Now am I properly visible to everyone? Bansi, use the chat box for a while.
Ma'am, all are saying no. Kashvi and
wait for
sorry.
a while.
Also
Okay,
dear.
1 minute बेटा. 1 minute बेटा. बंसी आप अपना माइक ऑफ करिए 2 मिनट के लिए. Now am I visible? Use the chat box, everyone. Am I visible? Satya, give the screen 2 minutes. It will stop. It will load and it will come again. Now am I visible? Okay. Okay, well done. Now let's start with the third line. I am repeating. Last week I returned from my track to a Himalaya. Instead of a, we will write the, as we are talking about the mountain, right? And this is only one in the world. We will write the, the. Then in the second line, it was an exciting journey. N is the correct article, that's why we will simply take it out. Then the path was rocky and rough. Here also the is the correct article, that's why we made take over there. Now let's see the next one. One night it started raining. One night what happened? It started raining. There were no lamps. There were no lamps, and we were sitting under the light. And we were sitting under the light of a moon. Is the correct article for moon? No, we write the instead of a. So make it correct in the bracket which is given to you all. The next morning, instead of a, we will write the. Before part, we will write the. Why we will write the part? Because we are repeating part in that paragraph. The path was slippery. I tripped over N. Instead of N, we will write a. A stone. As stone is consonant sound word, so we will write a stone was almost fell, but they were determined to keep going. Then in the end, it felt like instead of a, we will write an achievement and love few. This letter is written to few. Now I am making my camera one time turn off and turn on so that everyone could see me properly. I hope now my camera is properly visible to everybody. I made it properly on. Here I will share the PDF. Don't worry, but you have to write it down here also if you can see the board. Done, Dhruvi? Very good, beta. Now there is a concept of these, that and those, and we have to link it with articles. I'm going to tell you how to use this, that and those with articles. You can see on page number 45, We use the with singular and plural countable nouns. We use the with these, that and those. As you all know that we use the with singular and plural countable nouns, not with uncountable nouns. And we use the with these, that and those. On the other hand, if we see that we use a and an with nouns that are singular and countable, we use a and an with these and that. Am I clear? हम a और n का यूज कहाँ करते हैं? With these and that. And we use the with these, that and those. With both singular and plural countable nouns. Am I clear, everyone? Am I clear, everyone? Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Now, Sia, can you please check your network connection or rejoin the class? Sia Korbadia, can you please check your network connection or rejoin the class, because others can see me properly. Only you are facing problem, beta. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, Sia, come and join, and then we will start. Question number 8. Question number 8 of page number 46 is your homework. Question number 8 of page number 46 is your homework. What you gonna do here is, look at the table below. Make as many sentences as you can by combining the words in the table. There is a table given below. You have to combine the words as per the rules which I told you for this, that and those. And then you have to write the sentences. You can use your own words wherever required. Am I clear to everyone? Now, let's come to question number 9. May I erase the board? Everyone, may I erase the board, bacha? Okay. Swarit is writing. Swarit, complete your work, beta. Swarit, complete your work. We are also going to do mind maps today. We are also going to do mind mapping today. So, Swarit, complete your work, beta. Complete your work, bacha. Swarit, completed. It is very simple exercise. Okay, Swarit. Dhruvit, in homework, you have to make sentences from the box which is given below. You have to match. For example, this is a book. I join this is with a, and I make a sentence by using this is a book. Likewise, you can make that is an ostrich. These are the books, and those are the ostriches. Likewise, you can make sentences. Now come to page number 9. And let's work in pair to complete this exercise. Here we're simply going to do the story writing by using articles. Here we have to do the story writing by using articles. Page number 46, everyone. Last exercise of chapter number 9, articles. Last exercise of chapter number 9, articles. Let's start doing. In the last exercise, we are going to do the story writing of Thirsty Crow. Page 46, Question number 9. And they had already given us example. Okay, Kashyap Desariya. Now is it visible, Kashyap? Kenil Adroja, we had already completed page number 41 and 42 yesterday. Kenil Adroja, we had already completed page number 41, 42 yesterday. Also 43 and 44. Up till page number 44, we had already completed beta. And today I am going to share the PDF of whole chapter. If your exercise is remaining, please try to complete it. And if you face any trouble in any of the exercise, feel free to ask me. Am I clear to everyone?
Ma'am, Mr. is telling, ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Okay, now my voice is coming properly. Okay. Thank you, beta. Okay, thank you. Mishti, can you hear me properly, beta? Mishti, can you hear me properly? Okay. Now let's start. Thank you, Bansi, for guiding us. Now, let's start question number 9. 1. A crow. Write it down in the given space below. Once a crow was very thirsty. Here I had written in front of crow because it is consonant sound word. Then in the second line we will write, he looked for water here and there. And after that, at last, he found a pot of water. Then we will repeating water, so we will write the water was very little. Then we will write the crow as we are repeating crow. The crow thought of an idea. Then we'll write, he dropped stone in the pot. The water level rose. We'll write the water level rose. Rose means moved up. And the crow drank it.
Ma'am, you are not visible.
Dancy, turn off your mic, turn off your camera. Dancy Sarabda, turn off your camera, beta. Dancy Sarabda, turn off your camera. Dancy, am I audible to you, beta? Dancy Sarabda, turn off your camera. Now am I properly visible? Now am I properly visible? Use chat box and please tell me. Now visible? Okay, Pari Makasna, please complete your work. Everyone, complete your work. The last question. It's okay, beta. Everyone, complete your work. We are waiting. Don't worry. Satya, why you are facing this problem, beta? Okay, now is it visible? Now is it visible? Everyone, reply. Now is it visible? Kashvi, now can you see me? Kashvi, now can you see me? Okay, Kashvi. Start your work. After this, we will do mind mapping. Complete your work. And then after we will complete mind mapping. Okay, well done, well done. Those work is done, well done. Shall we start mind mapping? Shall we start mind mapping? No? Okay, Kashyap, complete your work, beta. Okay, Kashyap, complete your work. Complete your work, everyone. Everybody's work is completed, I guess. Is there anyone whose work is remaining to be done? Done? Okay. Okay, complete your work. Okay, complete your work. Those whose work is remaining, complete your work. I'll give you 2 minutes more. I'll give you 2 more minutes and then I'm going to erase. Everyone, those who are writing, I'll give 2 more minutes to them to complete the work and then I'm going to erase it. Can I erase? Now I'm erasing, everyone. And let's start doing mind mapping. Everyone, take out your notebook number 1B. Grammar notebook and start giving heading. And start the heading in your notebook. Write it down. Chapter number 9, articles. Everyone, please write it down. Chapter number 9, articles. Articles a, and the. Then we will make 2 arrows like this. In the first arrow, we are going to write use a and for one out of many.
Ma'am, you have dropped.
Yes. 1 minute. Now am I visible properly? Now am I visible properly? Beta, please reply in the chat box. Am I visible? Am I visible? Use the chat
मैम
box.
आपका कैमरा
Bansi, please turn off your mic. Okay, Kashyap can see me. Alright. So, let's start. Use an for one out of many. And then we will make one box like this. And the another box like this. Like this we have to do two boxes. Then we will write use a when the noun begins with the consonant. And after this we will give example. A bat, a cat. And just after this, there is one exception case, as I told you yesterday. And that exception case is when the vowel U sounds like U. When the vowel U sounds like U, Y-O-U, right? जब U का साउंड य से आता है U, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यूनिवर्सिटी, यूनिवर्सिटी में Y-O-U का साउंड आ रहा है, that's why we write a university, and we write a utensil as well. Now, we use an when the noun begins with a vowel. Right? So, the example here is an apple, an umbrella. This is the normal case. But here also we have exception case. What is the exception case for here? When the consonant H is silent. Exception case is when the consonant H is silent. When the consonant H is silent. So, the example here is an R, an honor. Here, we say honor. So, which sound is coming? O sound is coming. O. Honor. Right? That's why we have written A and an. Or in university, as this is the exception case where U sounds like U and H is here silent. That's why we have written an honor and an R. Now everyone, let's see the uses of the. There is one more use, that is the use the for a specific form. Let's see the example. The example here is the umbrella in the bag. We are talking about the particular thing, the specific thing. That's why we are writing the umbrella in the bag. And then the cat on the tree. I hope everyone is writing. Now am I visible properly to everyone? Okay. I am taking your attendance, everybody. Please attend to your roll call. I'm taking your attendance. Please attend to your roll calls, everyone. Write it down yes if you are present in the chat box. Fourth A class, today's date is 12. Right? And here we go. Henil Adroja. Henil Adroja. Very good, Henil. Prachi Adroja. Prachi Adroja. Prachi Adroja. Harshil Agara. Harshil Agara. Very good, Harshil. Swarit Amrutia. Rahil Arvadia. Prayag Barasra. Prayag Barasra. Rishiv Balani. Daksh Bharadwaj. Bansi Borania. Kashyap Dekaria. Mahi Dayal. Sarirat Singh Jadeja. Ronit Kalola. Akshar Karya. Akshar Karya. Akshar Karya. Sia Korvadia. Arab Kundaria. Nisar Gloria. Parimakasna. Kanishka. Yesha. Marvania. Dhruvit Mehta. Arnav Pathak. Khushi Pingle. Shlok Pujara. Shlok Pujara. Okay, start. Shlok Pujara. Dashita Raja. Satya Sanabda. Diya Santoki. Diya Santoki. Very good. Dansi Sarabda. Well done. Sumit Shukla. Kashvi. Nishti. And Jiyavant Jalia. And Jiyavant Jalia. Okay, everyone. So let's end our class here. I hope you all enjoyed today's session. See you all in the another class.
Ma'am, Bansi is present.
Okay, Bansi. See you all in the next class. Till then, everyone. Bye. Take care. And God bless you all. Say thank you and leave the class.